Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to listen to Spotify with friends, right? So basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead and click the music that I want to listen to. So for example, that one, right? So technically, this feature is only available for, the people who are or have premium, right? So if you have a premium, you're going to be able to actually pull that off. So if you don't, what you're gonna do, just go ahead to click right here, the computer shape of icon, and you're gonna be able right here to see there isn't a device available. Under the current device, this iPhone, you're gonna be able to see an option called Start a Jam, and this features, sometimes or occasionally available to premium users. But if you are not and you still find that option, just go ahead and start a jam and then follow along the on-screen instructions, and now you're gonna be able to share a link to your friends to your playlist to make them listen to your playlist. So let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.